morning everyone. Myself Mohammed Ali from class 7 studying in Sanabil English High School. Today my talk is about ISRO and Chandrayaan. First let me talk about moon. Now what is moon? According to the scientists, the moon is the satellite of the earth, but the moon is the special object which capture heart and imagination for as long as we remember the past and wait for the future. Now let us talk about ISRO. ISRO means Indian Space Research Organization and the space agency of the Government of India. Its headquarters is in the city of Bangalore. ISRO was formed in 1969, having its primary space part Satish Dhawan Space Center, Sriharikota in Andhra Pradesh. ISRO was formed in 1969, having its primary space part Satish Dhawan Space Center, Sriharikota in Andhra Pradesh. In 1980, Rohini became the first satellite which launched by Indian. Till now, ISRO has launched around 115 satellites and it also has launched around 280 satellites of other countries. Apollo 11 became the first man to mission to land on the moon. Later, 24 people traveled across the moon and 12 of them came back and tell us what was like to stand on the moon. So we decided to leave mark on the moon on 22nd October 2008. India turned moon into new life in their space program. Chandrayaan-1 was launched during its magnificent 10 years. The moon reported a remarkable discovery. Chandrayaan-1 gave a science whole new perspective. This was the first step in explaining the world. This next step is Chandrayaan-2. India's second mission to moon was successfully launched on 22nd July 2019, which is a great pride for India. Developed by Indian Space Research Organization and launched from Sriharikota. The primary objectives of Chandrayaan-2 are to demonstrate the ability of soft land lunar surface and operate the robotic rover on the surface. The lander and the rover with complete Indian technology without depending on any other countries. And further hardship to make Chandrayaan to a success mission, we wish it will do a soft landing on September 7th. Let me give a demonstration.
6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
The rocket is getting launched.
Ignition.
After traveling a distance, the satellite gets separated. Now the payload separates. This is the second stage. Chandrayaan-2 integrate. After revolving around the earth, it will reach the moon and capture the moon. Because the temperature is low and we may get the water molecules and some chemicals. Vikram separates. Orbit scans the moon. landing site. Now the Vikram does the soft landing. After the soft landing, the Pragyan wing performs the study of the moon for 14 days by navigating around 3000 kilometers on the moon. Recently, ISRO has released the picture of the moon. Thank you.